We're at the famous DAIKOKU parking area, and everyone's here on a Saturday just hanging out, chilling. So we're gonna walk around here, show you guys what they've got. It's just literally an open friggin' car meet mixed with a bunch of like random normal cars that come here for the actual purpose of a parking area, which is basically like a rest stop. Ooh, look at that! 997. Nice. Got an 8.6 right here, all blacked out. GTR. Ooh, look at that guy. Nice. FD. Yo, this one's clean. Kevlar lip. Just keep walking. Oh, that's a rental? GTR's a rental? Look at the Silvias. Fast and Furious-esque Supra. Let's go this way. There's a bunch of brightly colored FDs. Oh, NB. Big Wang Gang. Oh. Nice. TCP Magic Kit. RE Armenia. Supra. Underglows. Oh, you got a GR86 with a wide body right here. What is this? Oh, this looks dope. Vented hood. Nice, nice. A lot of RX-7s. Oh, that's... Remember that front end, that RX-7? That's so...
Ali... Oh, no. Mazda Speed?
I think it's like Mazda OE, no? I don't know. I'm not an RX-7 guy. Oh, I've seen this one all over TikTok. I've seen this one before. I forgot the owner. Another TCP car. There's a couple of these FDs that have the Veilside kit that you can rent here in Japan. You can just drive it around. RX-8s, RX-8s. More 86s. Seems like they're parking by car. Wow. And this is just like a portion of it. We're gonna walk around to the other sides. More GTRs. Another one. This one's nice and clean. Yo, the NA though. That's clean. Hey, this is clean. Look at it. The blue.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, this is so clean.
NB. You don't see a bunch of clean ones. Blue hardtop. Dude, these hardtops in Japan used are like $500. Crazy. So cheap. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Rally style, dude. Look at this. Nice. You guys ever watch the old WRC races? These guys are freaking killing it. That one right there. That's dope. Love it. Love it. Yo, the quintessential NA look back home. This kit's been copied so many times. It's crazy. Wow. Gold glitter paint. Gold glitter paint. Gold glitter paint. Crazy. It's the front end of that Silvia. Ooh, white and blue, baby. White and blue. Big boy turbo. What's over here? Soupy. Z. Yo, underrated though. Look how simple and clean that is. Damn. That's sick. That's sick. White on white. White GTR on the back. Couple more GTRs pulling up. Neoned out, dude. Or LEDs. That's crazy. The cops don't care. Oh, I guess sometimes they care. Guess not tonight though. So cool. Dude, this FD is so cool. Let's get closer. so rich. Yo, those taillights have rear bumpers one piece. That's crazy. Give you guys a feel of how big this place is. And it's not even packed yet. Cool thing is they can do stuff like this here because nobody's burning out. We can't do that stuff back home. You know, someone's always revving or something. So cool.